everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to use your fabric scrap and to turn into something very cute and beautiful. Alright, so where do I have? Oh, here. I have the heat and bond interface, and one with the paper and the other one with the glue kind of material. The cover of the jar that I got from the button here, or if you don't want to, you can use anything. This is the circle is 2.25 inches, okay? If not, you can make it 2 inch and 2.5, whatever size you decide, okay? And then you go into trace this to cut this out. This way you use so much of the scrap fabric that laying around your house. So you're gonna trace 2 circles. I'm gonna cut this out. Alright, so I have 2, and I use a fabric scrap that I have it right here. And I'm going to iron. Remember, when you iron this, turn into medium low, and also iron on the paper side, not the sticky side. Okay, you'll be done. Okay, so go like this, little at a time. Now cut this out from here. Cut right on the outer line of this, okay? You're going to take this off, the paper that you just ironed in the back here. You're going to peel this off, and you're going to place the wrong side together like this. Iron on, and then cut it out exactly the same around. So everyone, after I cut this out, and now I have 2, it glued together. You don't need to sew. This is easy, and I got this from Walmart last time for 50 cents and the tulle. So let's just take this out so I can cut 2 of them, and then I fold it again so that make it 4. Okay, you can go as much as you want, and then I fold it again, and I fold it again, so it's like 8 layer. Okay, so this is 3 inches by 3.5. 3 inches wide by 3.5 long. I'm gonna cut this out. Don't have to be perfect, just as long as you have a lot of fold here, as much as you want. It doesn't have to be 8. Okay, I do 8, but you can do more. Okay, now I'm going to cut this out. Going to fold it in the long way. Okay, and then fold it again. Okay, so now this is the 2 fold and the big fold here. I'm gonna cut from this corner to this corner, so I make it like a oval. Okay, so freehand, you don't need to do much. You can just do this. There we go. very easy, and I suggest you to make a lot for the holiday. It's so adorable. Okay, so now with this too, and if you go to the Dollar Tree and they sell the wooden bead like this, or Walmart, they have that too. It's really cheap. If not, I have a pearl here. I can use the pearl. So whatever you decide to do, it's all up to you. You can use the pearl. I have the pearl with all different colors too. Okay, with this circle right here, I'm going to fold it in half. And you don't need to do much. Just press this down in the center. Just like so. No need to do much. Or you can iron it down if you want to. It will come down for you nice too. But it's okay. You don't have to. Okay, so like this. Okay, so I'm going to go and tie the two ends together at the end here. You can use any kind you want to, okay? It doesn't have to be this. The loop. You're gonna go right into the center here. And then you're going to have it go right in there. In the fold. And then you're going to glue this with the hot glue. So I'm gonna go a little bit more here. And then I get the second circle. I'm gonna go right to here. Just like so. Lean it out a little bit so it can open like that, like a dress. And I'm going to add just a little bit of the glue on the side here so those two can stay like that. Make a bigger circle if you want to make it bigger angel, okay? And then in the back, you're gonna make sure it stay on the back too. You're gonna add a little glue right here in the back. And then you're going to add the wing in the back. My goodness, when you work with the glue, it can tend to like go all over the finger. Okay, so now this is the back, okay? It's the back of it. And this is the front. Hold on to it for a little bit, and then after that, you're going to add the bead. Go right on the top of it, just like so. I'm gonna go add a little glue right at the wing and the bead. Make sure it's staying down. I make jewelry off camera, and I have this kind. You can go to a Dollar Tree, they have something like this, but mine is the real one, like Swarovski. So I let it go to the hole here, and then I pull. So then it's you have a little of the thing on the top here that it's so pretty. Okay, for that I'm going to add a little glue so it can stay down right in the front here. So just add the glue right on this hole. Right on it. And then hold on to it so it can stay down. You can do this to sell, and you can do that for gift. Okay, and this is one of the things that I did with no sewing machine at all. That is so cute. You can make many if you want, any size you want. The finished size, include the bead and everything, it's 3 inches. Okay, that's that, everyone. So cute. I'll share with you the other one with no sewing machine too. Another idea that I traced from the same thing, 2 inch and a quarter, the cover. You can use any size, okay? I just give you an idea, and I use little fabric right here, and I have 5 of this. This is perfect. You can make it a whole bunch, and you can do this for gift. You can do this to sell, or you can do it for yourself. If you have kids, you can make it for them. Super easy. Okay, after you cutting out, I have 5 circles. Okay, 5 of them. I folded each of them in half. I'm gonna go around in each line right here about, I would do 1/8 of an inch, and I'm going to run instead all 5 go to the circle like this, like the outer line of the circle. So many ways that you can do with the fabric that you don't need to do so much on the sewing machine. And then continue to do all 5. Double the thread, okay? Because you don't want to use single. You want it strong so you can pull. Okay, so when I get into here, I'm going to pull this. Pull this all over. Okay, and then I'm going to the end here where we started. Okay, and from here I'm gonna pull the dress. You can keep on pulling. After you pulling, you go on the back and you're going to sew this together. This is the best way you can use all your fabric scrap, and then you can sell at the whatever you want to sell or wherever, okay? I'm going to add the glue around this. I'm going to add the button on top of it, push it down. Back in here, you can cut the fail fabric and you can cover that. And add the pin in the back, hair clip or whatever. This one on the back here for the hair thing. Okay, so it's all every idea. I just give you an idea. So whatever you want to make, okay? There are 2 things that we're making today that is so beautiful. With a little time, you can make it for yourself, and you can do that to hang around your Christmas tree. This angel is the best. I love it. And then so this for girl, if you have girl, you have daughter, you have niece, nephew, grandkid, make it for them. Put the hair barrette in the back, and so they can wear it in the hair or the ponytail. It's up to you, okay? Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for the people who subscribe to my channel and always come and check my video every time I upload. Love you. Stay safe. Take care, everyone.